Hello, Christopher. I hope you are doing very well. I wanted to take the opportunity to tell you a little bit about my day and some of the things I'm working on. Today is a very special day for me because we are celebrating my man. His birthday and I'm organizing a party for her. Right now I'm decorating the house with balloons, preparing the cake and setting up the sound system. In general, my daily routine after university involves studying at John doing my young work, and when I have some free time playing video games to relax. It really helps me disconnect a little from my responsibilities. Honestly, I'm a bit stressed because I want everything to be perfect for my mom. But at the same time, I'm very excited. I know that with everyone, a super special heroes will make sure the party is a success. Thank you in advance for everything. I'm sure it will be an unforgettable night.
Hello, Johan. I am happy to hear that your organization sometimes so special for your mom. I swearing what you asked me. My daily routine usually starts with wake up at 6 6:30 a.m. Then I take a shower, have breakfast, and go to the university. After classes, usually spend some time at the gyms, study a little, and at night I relax by watching television. Right now, I am the story buying snacks and rigs for the party. I also got some colorful lights to make the atmosphere even better. Later, I help you set to the tables and chairs, so everything look perfect. As for what I usually do in the afternoons on the normal day, after studying, I like to go for a run if the weather is nice. Or sometimes I hang out with my friends. And no, I'm not nervous about the party on the contrary. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. I'm sure everything will turn out great. Don't worry, Johan. Your effort will definitely you shows and your mom will be very happy. Let's make this celebration a wonderful moment.